Welcome to Restaurant Vermahribi.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. This is Mustafa from the Majestic Food Channel. We are here in Assilah City, in the north of Morocco. We're gonna enter the restaurant over behind us. We are gonna order some food, and we're gonna see. We're gonna make a review on the food. Sure it's gonna be delicious and nice looking because the restaurant is a little bit fancy and traditional at the same time. So let's go inside and let's eat. So as you can see, the menus come with many appetizers like different varieties of olives, green olives, black olives, some chili, also a piece of breadstick if you can see, and a soda called Hawaii. You can find only in Morocco. As you can see, our first meal is a beef tajine. You can see I have beef on it, some almond, boiled egg, and dry prum. As you can see, it's fresh. It's just prep. You can see it's sizzling. It's hot. You can see the broth is sizzling on the bottom. So we're gonna taste it and see which spices they use for cooking it. We're gonna try the meat and see how the tajine. You can see the beef is very tender and still juicy and flavorful. Let's try it. Yeah, it's have a flavor of the prawn. It's very sweet. It's like a little bit salty and sweet. Oh, we good. مزيان. It's still a little bit chewy, and it tastes like a Moroccan William food. Our second meal is a chicken kebab, as you can see. Accompanied with sauteed vegetables, potato, carrot, and green beans. And a chicken kebab in the split, as you can see. And also we have like a fresh tomato and lettuce. So let's dig in and try how it looks like. Let's try with the chicken kebab. The chicken looks juicy, very fresh. A little bit salty with the black pepper, and the potato is really very fresh, very soft.
What are these foods called?
This is tajine meat. Very yummy.
It's very flavorful. You can see the cilantro on it, and the salt is very, and the black pepper is very present on the vegetables. We're gonna end up the meal with some sweet treat. He gave us like some traditional homemade like cookies, or it's like a paste fried in oil and dipped in honey and sprinkled with some sesame seed. It's very sweet. It's very traditional. It's this kind of candy we make it especially for the month of Ramadan. It's like handmade 100% with hand.
Mommy, try.
No, mommy.
It's really soft in the inside, crunchy in the outside, very sweet, and you can feel the sesame seeds cracking in your mouth. I never missed that. It's like a long time ago I didn't eat that thing. Yeah. So even the bathroom, you can see it's very clean. As we can see in the USA, a clean restaurant we call a clean restaurant. So the restaurant is very clean. The bathroom, as you can see, is shiny, clean, and it's very nice. As you can see here behind me, they have like a peanut butter and a sunflower seed. It's very cheap, like a 10 cents for a bag. It's like really cheap price.